So what are Immunefi Boosts? Immunefi Boosts are very similar to auditing contests if you're familiar with them in Code Arena, Sherlock, CodeHawks. It's like time-bounded competition in a new codebase that was never deployed to the blockchain. And the thing about Immunefi Boost, unlike Immunefi bug bounties, is that you have during the boost, it's like a time-bounded boost, like audit competition, and you have direct project support over Discord, over the private channel in the Discord, in the Immunefi server. Here, obviously, the product is by Immunefi, so you're gonna help secure Immunefi products. So the developers that wrote this code base will be available for you in the Immunefi Discord to answer whatever questions you might have during the boost. And other advantages of Boost is that it has a custom separate leaderboard than the bug bounty leaderboard in Immunefi, and you have immediate Immunefi triage. So if you submit an issue in less than 24 hours, I think, like in 24 hours or one business day, you should get a response in a business day, not during weekends, about your issue, if it's valid, not valid. So you have a very quick feedback loop. The cool thing with Boost is that unlike bug bounties, you get paid if there are duplicates. So if someone found this bug beforehand, before you submitted the same bug, you also gonna get paid. The payment is being shared between all the people who found the same bug, unlike traditional bug bounty in Immunefi, where the first person who reports a bug, only he gets the reward. So you just have to find bugs and get paid. That's how it works. You don't have to be the first. You can submit them during the whole boost. It's totally fine.